Hello friends, in this video you will see how we can use string functions. So let's get started by doing practical. But remember one thing, all string functions or methods return new values. They do not change the original string. So the first function is capitalize function. Let's see the working of this function. It is used to convert the first character into uppercase character. For example, my string is Python in variable str1, print str1 with function capitalize, so it will convert the first character to uppercase like this. Second function is find function, first string and another variable str2 which will store another string on. So let's see how we can use find function. In str1 just find the argument p, so it will return true. It searches the string for a specified value and returns a position of where it was found. So it will return the index position of p, that is 0. You can also use another string name, that is str2. It means it will search on in string 1 and return its index position 4. Next function is num, or we can say is alphanumeric. It checks whether the string consists of alphanumeric characters. For example, here is my string. So it will check the string. If it is alphanumeric, so it will return true. Next function is alpha. Is alpha, it checks whether the string consists of alphabetic characters only. It returns true if all the characters or at least one character in the string is an alphabetic, or otherwise false. Is alpha, so it will check the string whether it consists alphabets or not and returns true or false. So it's true. Use some digits, so it will return false. In the same manner, you can use isDigit. IsDigit function checks whether the string consists of digits only. For example, str1 and the string is 3423. So when you print str1 with function isDigit, so it will return true. Next one is lower. Here is my string in uppercase character, that is Python. So lower function is used to display characters in lowercase. So use function lower. So it will convert all the uppercase characters into lowercase character. Next is lower. It checks whether all the case based characters are lowercase. For example, Python is a case sensitive programming language. So it will check is lower, so it will return false. Now next function is center. Center function will center or align the string using specified characters. By default it considers spaces as a fill character. Let's see the working of this function. Python, and in another variable I want to align the position of this string center. You can use any value here for alignment and print as. So you can see the position of Python. If you use 100, so it will shift the string or align the position of the string. Next function is count. Count function returns the number of times a specified values appears in the string. For example, in str1 I used here I love Python. Python is case sensitive. Use count function, so it will count your string, that is Python. And when you run it, it will display the occurrence. So Python in str1 is 2 times. You can change the start and end position also with count function. For example, if you want to search the string from 13 position to 30, so it will check this Python string from 13 to 30 and count. So it searches from position 13 to 30. That is one. Next function is ends with. This function returns true if the string ends with the specified value, otherwise false. For example, Python is case sensitive language. str1 ends with language, so it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay, the function name here I am doing some mistake. The function name is ends with. That is true. You can also use starts with. Starts with. So it will also return true if the string starts with a specified value, that is Python. Next one is replace function. Replace function replaces a specified string with another string. For example, my string is I love Python. Now I want to replace Python with Java. So it will replace the value. Next function is split. str1 dot split. Split function is used to split a string into a list where each word is a list item. So here you can see it is now converted into a list. Next is title. Title function returns a string where the first character in every word is uppercase. If first character contains a number or symbol, the first letter after that will be converted to uppercase. For example, I love Python 3.9 version. So just check the function title and print s. So here you can see the first character after the integer value is converted into uppercase, that is V. So that's all about string functions. Just try these functions. Thank you for watching the video.